Okay, here's another video. If you still got the spillage in your coffee machine and the mesh cleaning doesn't work, so then next what you can do is replace this piston rubber o-ring that might be worn. So in my case, I believe that's is my issue at the moment. So I bought some, you can see, I don't know part number is there or no, but it's, yeah, that's what it says. Coffee machine generator o-ring gasket. So it goes on that piston. To remove that gasket, I would recommend to use not anything sharp, so I'm using the tip of the teaspoon to make sure you're not cutting, not making some lines into the piston, because as soon as you get some gaps made in, you will have the same issue again. You can leak through those lines. So let me somehow try to make the video. So see, get the teaspoon behind the gasket and pull it down. So that's the old one. Let's take the new one out. So comparing, the old one is actually feels a little bigger. Okay, let's put the new one in and test the machine. So it's easy to put it in, you know, just it's soft and nice and easy. So it's back on. Let's do the test. Okay, let's make the coffee. Let's have a look. Look what we got inside, and looks clean. But yeah, there's no spillage, so it should be alright then. Alright, thank you for watching and see you next videos.